Yeah. Well, we're going to do a basic salad with whatever we can find in the refrigerator. I think we only need 2 of these. maybe not. Can get them out. There we go. One there and one there. That's enough. Okay, we're gonna go through, and there's a couple bad spots, so remove those. Don't want to eat them. Okay, the oven just went off, saying that it's going to start cooking, even though we've already put it in the oven. It is nice having a sharp knife. Okay, going through, looking for some bad. There's our lettuce, basic lettuce, and I'm going to add some celery. I'm going to add some carrots. Celery, carrots. Cut up some radishes and cucumbers earlier. We're going to put some cucumbers in there because we like cucumbers. Drain the radishes because I stored them in ice water. That way it keeps it nice and fresh. Now put a little bit of salt in the ice water. 2 reasons. 1, to salt the radishes, and 2, the salt keeps the water colder than just regular. And we got ourselves some sweet peppers. Yellow, orange, and red. So, do that. Do with salt. A little bit of pepper. I put a little bit more pepper than, because I really like pepper. I'm going to use a simple Greek vinaigrette for our salad dressing. Stir that in. Now alrighty. Get that really mixed in there. Add a little bit more salad dressing. Really get it mixed up. Get those cucumbers and radishes mixed up, and they're really good. And the peppers and the onion. No, I didn't use onion this time. I used celery because I got onion in the fish, so don't overpower it. And of course, salt and pepper. Yep, there we go.